Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I have a very delicious recipe for some baby back ribs you can make in your home oven. I'm telling you, these are probably going to be some of the best you've ever had, and it's very easy to do. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get a big piece of aluminum foil and roll it out pretty long, and you're going to see why in a moment. Set it on a pan, and the first thing I'd like to do is just hit it with some pan cooking spray. Now we're going to go ahead and set our ribs down on it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hit it with some rub. Use your favorite rub. I'm actually using this Gourmet Smoked Mesquite. This is pretty good. I've been using this for a while. Go ahead and get it on there. And I like to start with the membrane side up first. And as far as removing the membrane, that's honestly personal choice. I leave it on there. So go ahead, press that rub in. Then we're going to flip it over and repeat on the other side. Now we want to go ahead and wrap this, and now you're going to see why you want it to make that piece really long. Go ahead and wrap it up really good. And now for the first stage of the cooking, we're going to put this in the preheated oven, which is at 300 degrees for 3 hours. So here we are, 3 hours later. We pulled them out of the oven, and as you can see, we undid the wrap. At this point, you want to turn your oven up to 450 degrees for the second stage of the cooking. And what I'm going to do now is pour your favorite barbecue sauce on these. Then you want to take a brush and go ahead and smear it all over. And at this point, once the oven reaches 450 degrees, you're going to go ahead and put these back in the oven uncovered for 20 minutes. And there you have it. Our baby back ribs are done. I know what you're all waiting for, and so am I, the taste test. Really don't even need a knife, but, you know. Amazing. But don't take my word for it. You gotta give this one a try. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.